Hello viewers, today I'm going to be doing a video about this. This was bought literally when I was at Hellen and Douglas house in Abingdon for £5. I don't know if you can see it, if I've got it the right way. But yes, it was £5. I've looked and it is in splendid condition. If I just get it out. This is real leather. Lock on there. It's made in Germany as well. If we go, it just says in there, it's sort of tucked away, can't really see it. Oh, you can sort of see it. It's probably got glow in the dark hands. It probably has. I've got another Europa on, and it's got a very neat little cover for the speed adjusting, alarm, time set. That's winding up the clock mechanism, that's winding up the alarm. And there's a lever on the side there. Note the splendid condition it's in. This is new old stock, really. This is new old stock. And here is what the alarm sounds like if I just go on to... Lovely, lovely alarm. And it continues quite a while as well. You'll definitely be awake once that's been going on. And yeah, that's only £5. Means what you can find in a second-hand shop, really. Now, I might try and open it up and see what the date is on it. But if you look on here, if I take this off, actually I might be able to do it. Ah, yes, that's it. That's it. I can open it up. And as soon as I find out when it was made, I will do a video about it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. If anyone does have an idea of when this clock was made, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.